Unicycle Kid on YouTube. I am Drew, and today we will be unboxing some mini brands. So I unboxed them already. So first I'll show you those, and then we will unbox these. So let's get started. Alright everyone, I really hope you like those mini brands. And now we are going to open this one. Here we go. Push down the openings up. Sometimes they're a little hard to open. All right, I got that one. And now, let's open this. 3, 2, 1. Oh! All right, now let's open these. First one. What is it? Oh, wow. All right, now let's open the next. Here we go. Wow, I love those. Okay. Wow! Look at that! Wow! This is something we build. Can you guess what it is? Wait a second. I don't even know. So, I'm gonna go build it. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so happy. Look what it is. I just built this for the last 20 minutes, and I think it is amazing. It is a mini checkout stand. Isn't this really cool? But we still have one more to open, so let's open it. All right, here's the last one. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh! It's another one of the skivvy things, but look, I have the same one, but this one's like a blue one. Wow. All right, everyone. I was so happy with everything I got, and I hope you were happy watching this video. So please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. Bye.